Ia toi fausia mea na whaaleangaina ana mua.
2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. But if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and forgive their sins and restore their land.
Lua na fo inga tupu mata upe fitu fai upe swinga fa. A fai fa mawalalo na ulu e mata ua ilo uinoa. Malato tatalo. Masa ili ia tea. Maliliu ese I o lato ala leanga. Ona ofa alongo I lea mai le langi. Mafa mangalo I ala to angasala. Mafa aulaina do lato luu.
Ruin. Best described as the remains of a building, typically an old one that has suffered much damage or disaster.
Whaleanga. O lona whamatalaina. O toenga o se whale po se whale tuai o whaleanga ina.
Rebuild. It is to build something again after it has been damaged or destroyed.
Toi fausia. O le toi fausia o se mea, pea uma o na whaaleanga ina.
We believe the restoration is found in Jesus. Our past is gone. Behold, God is doing a new thing.
Ma tot sani tonu o le toi futa inga e maua I a Yesu. O mawai mea tuai, whaauta, o whaia I le atua mea fōna.
name, that we will be saved. So God, I call on you right now. Set me free. Open my heart. I come to you with open arms. I call on you, Lord. Help me, help us. Set us free. Set us free. Rescue us from the negative. Rescue us from the neglection. Rescue us from abuse. Rescue us from situations that we cannot control. Rescue us, Lord. For it's only you. For it's only you that has the power to restore me, to restore